Hello everyone. I was supposed to prepare the second part of the filters video, but for the number of requests I received, I prepared this video that will help everyone to trade more accurately, as it does not require experience, and even beginners can use it for crypto and forex. Okay, let's head to the point. Let's change candles to Heikin-Ashi candles. Well, this method is in line with most frames, but the best is a 4-hour frame. We talked about Heikin-Ashi candles many times. In general, they are not as accurate as Japanese candles, but in some strategies, and with some indicators, we have to use it. Especially, since we rely on the trend, and not on candlestick analysis. Well, click on indicators and type Chandelier exit. Choose this indicator from the list. Now as you can see, we have applied the indicator to the chart. First, let me thank the programmer of this indicator, which simply shows us the places of entry and exit, because this indicator depends on the movement of RSI and EMA lines to set the entry signals. I think this saves time, especially since it is auto. Fortunately, this indicator can be modified, and this is what we will implement because there are many delays in its movement. As you can see here, the selling area was too late. Also, here the buying area is very late. When you check carefully, you will notice that there are some places where buying and selling meet, and this is not good and may cause some losses when trading. Well, now that we've figured out the delay, let's make some adjustments to this indicator in order to get the best results. First, let's reduce the extra colors and lines, so it looks more comfortable, and we can have room to add other indicators later. Now as you see, the lag is more noticeable, but we will reduce it significantly, up to 70%. Well, click on the indicator settings again. This time, choose inputs. Change ATR period to 1. And change ATR multiplier to 1.85. Finally, remove the check mark from the last two. As you can see, the accuracy has become very good. See here, it works great. And here. Here too. In general it is excellent. We still have some fake signals, but they are very few. They do not exceed 8 out of 10, and we will try to get rid of them by adding another indicator. You can calculate the percentage of profit and rise between the point of purchase and the point of sale. It is very satisfactory. Even with small changes, it is still profitable. Well, let's take a quick look before we move on to the second part of the video. Let's see its effectiveness with other currencies. Let's change the currency chart. Well, after seeing its accuracy on some other charts, let's add another indicator that will help us a little bit in getting rid of the fake signals. Click on indicators one more time. Now type ZLSMA. After applying LSM line, we notice that it moves according to the movement of the trend, but with a slight difference, sometimes above the candles and sometimes below them. To find out the best entry time according to LSMA indicator, you should focus on the green candles that form above it or break through it from bottom to top. Here, we have a fake signal, but it was quickly detected by the first indicator. But here, as you can see, the signals were very perfect. Here is also a false buy signal, but if you focus, you will notice that it formed under the LSMA line, that is, it formed in the exit area. Because the green candles
here are
formed
several
above
examples
LSMA
of
successful trading. Now, let's see another example of trading through these two indicators. Well, let's say I enter here, using the chandelier exit indicator and using its green buy signal. In this case, I will not wait for the red mark of the chandelier exit indicator, but I will rely on LSMA indicator to exit. When a red candle forms below LSMA line, I will sell immediately. Okay, let's see this picture to get the idea. Here are other examples. Well, after we have seen many examples, let's see how effective this indicator is with other time frames. Here is a 1-minute chart. Yes, there are many lags in sell signal, but it can be relied in buy signal and for confirmation. Well, how about a 15-minute chart? As you can see, it is very good and a little reliable. Let's see a 2-hour frame. Yes, it is also good, but I do not recommend using it in small frames. Try to use it on 4 hours or 1 day frame and you will see great results. As you can see, we have applied a 1 day frame and the results are amazing. Look at this profit. It almost reached 100% in about 25 days. And here, the profit is more than 50% in 21 days. Also here, the profit was good. Let's take a peek at the rest of the zones. Well, as you can see, I use support and resistance lines as well, in order to get perfect confirmations. You can apply these lines as we learned in a previous video, by using the RSI indicator. I almost forgot, you can add the alarm from here, and you can select the roll options, when a buy or sell signal appears. Click on these small dots on the indicator line, and choose Add Alert. Just choose what you want, specify when selling or when buying, and all the other settings that do not need explanation, because it's very simple to use. When you have completed your settings, click on Create, and you are done. I hope you liked this video. But before that you should know, automatic trading without drawing support and resistance lines, and without drawing trend lines, may expose you to loss, so if you have any question do not hesitate. Finally, do not forget to like the channel, and follow our free channel on Telegram. Good luck, see you on the next video.